Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hi, where are you going?
I am going to the super shop.
Why are you going there?
I am going to buy some sugar, tea, coffee and milk.
Did you go to Madrasa yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did our Saiful Huzur give any homework?
Huzur give 5 pages writing from chapter now 6 and also side to the randos.
Anything had given by Rafiq Sir and Koti Mujur?
Sir told that everyone have to memorize the name Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
That's it. Anything else?
Nothing more but remember to bring an website application.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Doesn't mention it.
See you in the class.
Bye bye, stop luck.